So I'm at this party, right? Just hanging out, having a good time when my friend tells me that my boyfriend is in the bathroom with another girl. At first, I thought she was joking, but then I heard laughing and I just knew something was off. I storm into the bathroom and there they are, playing Mario Kart on his phone. But get this, they weren't even on the same team. I was so confused, I just stared at them for a second. The girl looks at me and says, "He's actually really bad at this game. I had to show him how to win." I couldn't even be mad at that point. It was so ridiculous. I just started laughing. He turned bright red and promised to never game with her again. And that's how my boyfriend almost got broken up with over Mario Kart.